you have ever gone into a crawl space and found a snake skin and wanted to leave right away, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now. Welcome to Tip Tuesday, where we provide you tips and tricks on how you can improve your attics, basements, crawl spaces, and even your ductwork. On today's tip, we will be discussing the Dranjer drain. The Dranjer drain helps any above surface water get into your catch basin and let your sump pump work even if the unforeseen happens, like a busted pipe or anything that might cause surface water to go into your crawl space or basement. This little tool will help get rid of the water. For more information, visit diy.crawlspaceninja.com, where we have this product and many other products that will help you in your DIY project. If you're not a DIYer like me, visit crawlspaceninja.com. If you're within our service area, we'll be more than happy to come and provide you a free estimate on your crawl space, basement, attics, and even your ductwork. Catch you on the next one.